Hello all! It's good to see that we're still on this side of the dirt. We made it through another winter. I was on the back porch here playing my fiddle in the nice warm sunshine out there. Shoo-wee! I went out there with my t-shirt on. Unbelievable how nice the weather's been here lately. We had a good full moon back there on the 5th. Good full moon. Lit up the sky at night. Here, what you gonna do today, PeePaw? Well, this morning we had to go to work, but here in the evening time, this afternoon we're gonna cook us up some spaghetti because I'm a bit hungry. Here we got the Bertolli, organic tomato and basil. I got some Del Monte, diced green peppers and onions I'm gonna add down in there. And here, Barilla spaghetti. I love spaghetti. Spaghetti's up there with lasagna in my book. Let's take the lid off of this pot over here and we'll put some water down in there and get it to boiling so we can get that spaghetti going. Pour some water down into this pot. We'll get it to boiling and we'll put that Barilla spaghetti down in there. Oh yeah. We're gonna have us a good supper tonight. There we go. We'll get a little fire up underneath of there. That's good. Set that to high heat. Now we'll come back about, I don't know how long it takes to boil water. 15, 20, 30 minutes. We'll come back in a little bit. We'll put that spaghetti down in there and we'll get it to boiling. And we'll work on the other fixings that we're going to add into that spaghetti. We'll see in a little bit. There we go. We got the steam coming off of that water. Let's open up this package of Barilla spaghetti and put down in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's going to be some good spaghetti right there. We're going to fill up our bellies tonight. After this spaghetti gets to going, we'll work on that Bertolli, organic tomato and basil, and that Del Monte, diced green peppers and onions. We'll put that all together and we'll mix us up a good spaghetti dinner. We'll come back in a little bit. We'll see you shortly. We'll stir them noodles down into that water. There we go. Doesn't that look good? Alright. While those noodles are over there boiling, let's get the sauce together. We'll crack this one open here. Put down in there. Get all of that out of there. Get all of that out of there. Let me add a little bit of water there so I can get all of that sauce out of there. I'll be right back. waste that sauce. There's that timer going off for those noodles. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get all of that out of there. That looks good. I'll save that jar. That jar, you can use that jar for a container. My pop used to put 10 penny nails into jars like that. Okay, I got my P38 right here. This can opener I got from the Air Force back in 1979. All you folks from way back when, if you can, hang on to your P38. It'll come in handy someday. Especially when you ain't got no can opener. That's enough of that. Let's turn that timer off. We know you're done. These P38s are really nice. They got a little claw right there and a hook. You hook that underneath of the tin and the claw bites into the top. Real easy to work. You just nibble away at that tin right there till you get all the way around to the other side. Just like that. Can you hear that water over there boiling with them noodles? Let's drop these down in here. Oh yeah. That's going to add some real good flavor. Del Monte diced tomatoes with green peppers and onions. We'll put a little bit of fire under them. Cook them right up. And here in a Scotia bit, we'll add everything together. Just let that go for a little bit. Stir these noodles over here. Oh yeah, those noodles are done. I can turn the water off right there. We'll let that sauce catch up. Now it's been a little while. Let's go see how the spaghetti sauce is doing. There we go. Okay, that's good and hot and steamy. We're ready to put that down on top of them noodles. Let's go over there and do that. Come on. What y'all waiting for? Get over here. I'm hungry. We got to go eat. Alright, we'll put the noodles down into that pot. Take this spaghetti sauce, put down into that pot. Oh, look at that. On the wrong side of the camera. Let me switch hands here. I'm left-handed. It's trying to do right-handed work. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah. Now, we'll mix all that up. This is going to last us for a few days. I'll be able to take this into work. Make me a good lunch. Doesn't that look good? I could get some right now. Look at those tomatoes. from that Del Monte. That looks good. Let me see if I can get a bite. Don't burn your tongue, PeePaw. I'll try not to. Yeah. Gotta get another bite. This is good. This is really good.